So in this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot easily. So guys, just you have to press Windows key, Shift and S. Press and hold. Now you will see these options. You can take screenshot in rectangle mode, freeform mode, window mode and full screen mode. If you need this full screen screenshot, so just click on it one time. Now here, click on this pictures folder. Then almost you will see this screenshots folder. So you can check out here like this. And also guys, you need some particular part of this page. So again, press Shift Windows key plus S. And here you select this freeform mode. And get screenshot as your need. It's completely free. This one. You can check here. Another way, Shift Windows key S. If you select this first one, so you can select any part of your screen. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.